Hello, Sumate. Welcome to class. And today we'll be um learning how to cut flare. I mean different types of flare. I'll be using this pattern paper for illustration. Yeah. So to start with, we have basically we have three types of flare, not types per se. We have a flare of a 90-degree, we have a 180-degree flare, and we have a 360-degree flare. These are the basic sizes we have, and then from these sizes you can decide to alter your own and probably double it or something. Yeah, but these are the basics we have, and I'll be teaching us how to cut these three basic flares using these illustration papers. Okay, so to start with, we'll be learning how to cut a 90-degree flare, and I'll be assuming this is our fabric. Yeah, it's an illustration. So let's say this is the fabric, and we'll cut um our fabric, you put it on fold like this, and then to cut. But in this case, you'll be considering this edge, and then you fold like this edge, and the other one you hold this part down and then fold it like this. Yes, make sure both edge are touching each other, then you'll be having a sharp edge here, so it looks like a triangle. That is how you fold a 90-degree flare. Yeah, this is a 90-degree flare. And like so, you get to measure your waist out, and then you measure your skirt length divided by, because this is folded in two. If you want it to be just one single this thing, yes, it's folded in two. You measure your waist divided by two here. So let's say for instance my waist is 28, divided by 2 is going to give me 14, which means when I measure this place, it has to give me 14 inches. And then from here measure the skirt length, and then you cut out. So I'll be cutting this out as illustration. Make sure you make your calculations based on your measurement. Yeah, so this is a 90-degree flare. Let me make, yeah, so this is a 90-degree flare, as we have seen, and it has been cut by our waist circumference. This is an illustration, do not forget. So it will be sewn like so, where you hold your zipper allowance at the back or by the side, depending on what you want, and then it looks like this. It doesn't have any fold in the middle, it's just like straight down, but then it looks some sort like a shape. Yeah. Okay, now we'll be moving to the 180-degree flare. Yes, I remember for the 90 we folded this edge to the other one straight up, but in this case you have to first fold your fabric into two. Yeah, in two, like this. Yes, and then from here again, the same way you folded for the 90-degree flare, then you fold again this edge to the second one. Yeah, so you have it like this. Like so, it is folded into four. If you count, this is four, this part is on fold, it's two as well, then it makes four. You measure your waist divided by four, because the pattern is folded into four. You cut out your waist and then measure out your skirt length. So the 28 inches we are using as example, divided by 4 is going to give us 7 inches. Which means this place is supposed to give 7 inches, and then you measure out your skirt length, then you cut like so. Okay, so this is going to be like this. Yep, and then we have a skirt, like so. You can see that it is wider, the lower part here, compared to the 90-degree flare. If this were to be a fabric, you're going to see folds. Yes, then it gives folds about 2 or 3 here. Okay, so this is our, and you can see this is a semicircle. 180 degrees half of a circle. So you see it gives a semicircle. 180-degree flare. Now we will be moving to the third one, which is a 360-degree flare. That will be a full circle. You can see it as a circle flare or circle dress or something, all those things. Yeah. So it's supposed to give a full 360-degree circle. So at first you fold like this into two. You fold into two like this, and then you fold. Yep, the fold was like this at first, and then you fold like this, like so. Yep, the second one. Mm. Make sure the folded part like this is facing you. So we have it like this. Then we measure the waist. Yeah, divided by 4 as well. If you're using 48, for instance, you make sure this is 7, and then you measure your skirt length. Yeah, even from the drawing here, you could see that it is much more wider compared to the 180. And can you see? And this time around, we don't have any opening because it is a full circle. Don't mind my drawing. If it is measured correctly, you have a perfect circle. So this time around, there's no opening and you have a full circle. And this is a 360-degree flare. This is 360, this is 180, and this is a 90-degree flare. So now we'll be moving on how to take our waist and length measurements.